In this video, I'll show you guys how you can manually install the BepInEx pack mod. So step 1 is to visit this website right here, thunderstore.io, and click on the mod at the top called BepInEx pack. Just click on this and click on manual download. And there we go, it's downloaded. So the next step is to open Steam, go to your library, right click on Lethal Company, manage and browse local files, and keep this folder open. So what you want to do now is open your downloads folder where you downloaded the mod, and click on the mod, BepInEx pack. Just ignore these two files for now. Click on the mod, and you can open it using WinRAR or 7-zip, and open the folder inside called BepInEx pack. And then Control C, all of this, copy all of this, Control C, and Control V, and replace the files. And there we go. Now, if you just want to install the BepInEx pack mod, this is literally all there is to it. The mod is now installed. So let me launch the game to show you guys. As you can see, when I launch the game, this window pops up. And what this means is that the mod worked, because as you can see, it says BepInEx. So if this doesn't pop up, that means you did something wrong and you should repeat the steps. Now, if you want to actually install some mods in this folder, let me show you how. First, you can use this website, the same website, thunderstore.io, to search for mods. Let me try installing the More Company mod. So for that, I need the LC API and the More Company mod. And luckily, I have both of them installed, or downloaded rather. So to install mods using BepInEx, what you want to do is first open the mod just like this, open the folder inside called BepInEx, and open plugins, and copy all of this, Control C, and then go back to your Lethal Company folder. Now, first let me close the game. Now open the folder BepInEx, and go inside plugins, and paste all of this here. Now let me do the same with the More Company mod. Open this, open the folder, plugins, Control C, and Control V. And there we go. That's the mod installed. So now let me launch the game, and you'll see that the same window popped up again. That means the mods are working. And let's see what the game says. And there you go, More Company. And that's it. Thanks for watching.